Yeah, I just had a theory. I went and got that gauge set for the AC compressor that we've been waiting for, which came in today. It's here. Hello. And I had a theory because I needed to run a vacuum to get it vacuumed down, so on and so forth. That I just needed to hook up the gauges, and that it potentially could be at zero pressure. The problem is these things have a high pressure and a low pressure, both of which can be above, 80 or so degrees, 80 pounds per square inch. So anyways, I hooked these up. You have a high and low side. And I think I have it right. And in any case, there's no pressure in your air conditioning system. And so my question is there a chance that your air conditioning never worked ever? Because right now I don't have to do anything except take this thing out, and with zero pressure on these lines, I should be able to crack them and start getting this thing back together ASAP. Well, here we are. I'm getting into it here. So we verified by the gauges that we didn't have anything in the system. We're at zero. I shook the high and low after we got these two 10s cracked way down here. I'll pull this last one off. Here's the last top of that 10 for the line. That should free these lines up from themselves. I'm going to clean this up a little bit and get this set up. So we're back. I don't know what the hell we're doing here. I've got to get these lines clear off of this. I'm trying to see how they go. This one does feel like it's going to go. I need to get this my hands free. Let me go further and try to get. There it is. Aggressive. It wasn't intention. You kind of get the gist now. It's definitely a wiggle. There's an O-ring in there. I'll have to ensure those are intact. So on the lines, it's not the actual compressor. I hope this is picking up some of this. Okay, there it is. So that's both sides. Way down in there, I'll see if I can get this to zoom. Crap, man. It's way down here. Here's the high and low sides. I guess I'm a little turned. This line's in the way. It's okay. It happens to the best of us. Anyway, that's out of the way. Those are cracked. That is definitely not what we want to watch. Maybe there. Okay, so we finally got this thing out. I might do some discussion about it. Well, basically, you can see, and I'll pick it up here. A lot of wobble. That's oil, I guess. Pressure oil. Yeah, let's see. Oil, the compressor. 1, 2, 3. Here's the 4th. Oh, I got it right here. Those we knew. So somebody's been in here. Some corrosion right here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I'll turn it sideways so you can kind of see how bad this really was. So I was just able to do that before, but look at this. Now, that is definitely the biggest part of the problem on this thing. I don't know if it was making pressure. It's probably just no good. Anyways, that's the old. Here's the new. Tell there's no clay. Builds pressure. I can feel it. And these are plugged, of course. I can feel the resistance on the machine. All right. Pretty exciting. So I'll be working on getting this back in, and we'll do one little test here. And then it has a clutch that actually, when you pull that in, it good to go. This is going to fix a lot of stuff. I don't think she ever actually had air conditioning in this car. She probably didn't need it in Southern Oregon, but I certainly do up here. Hope you guys caught all that. Alright, well, we did it all over. We've got the new compressor in there. You can see it's the only thing not covered with oil at the bottom there. I've got it, the high and low pressures terminated. I just need to get the one wire harness. You can see the kind of red wire leaning off of the top of there, plugged in. And then we're on to the alternator. Alright, listen. AC condenser's in, alternator's in, belted, tensioned. So now we're onto the power steering pump. We're almost back together. Yeah. We're 100% back together. New pulley, new, all kinds of new everything. I just need to kind of button up some bracket stuff, and then we'll be getting close to ready to start this thing. Okay. And then I think I'll do the top end tonight if I can, if I got the energy. Meaning the helicoil repair, the coils, all that stuff. Yeah, moving right along. Got all 4 of your ignition coils out. Everything's tightened back up. I'm gonna just start putting these in here. Start with one here. And just to double check here that there's nothing I need to do. Everything looks good. A really good seal. Yeah, okay, nothing fancy. They're all in. I'm gonna hook the battery up and do just a real couple of thoughts of thinking here before I do a turnover and see how we're doing. Okay, talking again about this seal here. There was at some point an O-ring here. It is completely flattened out, and that's the source of all of the oil leaks. As soon as I replace this, we'll be good to go, and it should be dry as a bone. Install now, it's a little tight. Back in a second. Okay, the cam cap seals in, down here. Got that installed. I kind of cleaned that area out a little bit. You can see it's been leaking there forever, and now you can kind of just, yeah. So that's why it was consuming so much oil, Lou, and we got her. So let's get crazy. God, I'm a little bit nervous. I think I might have got it. Who knows? We'll see. Okay. This is a little nerve-wracking because I just did quite a bit of work. All of the mechanical work that I can do, save just the little helicoil head repairs, I've done. So it's kind of the moment of truth. Everything's hooked back up. We're rebelted. that's really quiet, Lou. You hear that? Not shaking like crazy. We'll let her circulate a little bit. Wow. Hondas aren't supposed to sound like that. I don't have any engine lights. I'm gonna put the wheel back on and drop it down. See what's going on. I'm like totally beat. Car is running a lot better. Not making the crazy death rattle noise. I just have like a low RPM idle, which is causing a little misfire still. So I done some research yet. We're not out of the woods. So the car is really happy now. Doesn't sound like